Washing your hands. Stop the spread of germs. Why do we wash our hands? To prevent ourselves, you, from getting sick, and to prevent others, like family, friends, and teachers, from getting sick. Where do germs live? Everything you touch has germs on it. Your phone, computer, iPad, door handles at home and in public, sink handles, car doors, books, mailbox handles, video game controllers, and gas pumps, just to name a few. How do we stop the spread of germs? Healthy daily habits. Follow simple steps to stop the spread of germs and keep surfaces and hands clean and disinfected. Healthy daily habits. Shower daily. Brush your hair. Wear clean clothes. Wash your hands. Keep your nails trim and clean. Brush your teeth 2 times per day minimum. Get rest and sleep. Sneezing and coughing. When you sneeze or cough, cover your mouth and nose with a Kleenex or tissue, or sneeze or cough into your upper sleeve, and then wash your hands. Keep surfaces clean. Clean surfaces daily. Think of everything you touch. It all needs to be cleaned and disinfected. What surfaces are dirty? Everything you and others touch. We will watch this video. Watch for the glitter. Can you see it? Keep watching for the glitter on his hands. This boy is going to show us how you spread germs by putting glitter on his hands and then touching all of his toys and surfaces. As he is touching the toys and surfaces, pay attention to every area where you see glitter. Here he goes. Right now, I don't see any glitter on that. But he sneezes, and the glitter or germs go everywhere. Let's keep watching to see what happens. He did not wash his hands after that. Can you see the glitter? Look at his pants. It's even on his pants. And it's still on his hands. And now everything he touches has glitter on it. The glitter, that is what germs look like. Now, if one of your friends or family members comes and touches something that you touched, they will end up having glitter all over them. And then everything they touch will also have glitter. Remember, the glitter, that's germs. So this is his brother, and his brother wants to play with his toys. You see the glitter on the car? Now his brother is going to touch the car and play with it, and he will get glitter on him. He will get germs on him, the same germs that came out of the first boy's nose when he sneezed. That's pretty gross. The germs go everywhere. So when should I wash my hands? Often. Wash your hands after playing with pets, using the restroom, sneezing, blowing your nose or coughing. If you've touched a cut or open sore, make sure you wash your hands before and after. Wash them after playing outside and before you eat. How do I wash my hands? It's very simple. Remember, high five. To give a germ-free high five, follow these 5 steps. 1, put your hands under the water and get them wet. 2, use soap. 3, wash. 4, rinse. And 5, dry. Let's look at this again. When you need to wash your hands, turn on the warm water. Put your hands under the warm water. Be sure that your hands are wet on the top side of your hands and the bottom or palm side of your hands, from your nails all the way up to your wrist. Step 2, take your hands out from the water and add soap. Step 3, keep your hands out of the water. Rub your hands together. You'll need to use your muscles to make sure you really lather that soap. Think about all the areas where there would be bubbles on your hands with the soap. That is getting all the germs off. So when you're washing and making those bubbles with the soap, make sure that you do that from your fingertips or your nails all the way up, in between each of your fingers, including your pointer finger and thumb. Wash your thumb and also wash all the way up to your wrist on the top side. Turn your hand over. Be sure to wash the bottom part of your hand from your wrist all the way down to your fingertips. You can sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or ABCs, but that is how long you should be rubbing the soap on your hands. Once you are done, put your hands back under the warm water and rinse. Be sure to get all of the soap, all of the bubbles off of your hands. Once you are done, use a paper towel and dry your hands. If you notice you still have bubbles or soap on your hands, rinse your hands again. Be sure to dry your hands completely at step 5. That is really important to get all the water off. And then use that paper towel to turn the water off. Put the paper towel in your hand, put it over the handle, and turn off the water. This is the correct way to wash your hands. This is a great demonstration. Please watch. The white gloves are your hands. This black paint is the soap. When you put soap on your hand, this is the only area that has soap, that black spot right there on the white hands. The person is rubbing their hands together and pretend the black paint is soap. That is the only areas right now that are getting germs off. You can see this person is using their muscles to push their hands together and rub. Now look, there's still so much white area. All the white area is not clean and still has germs on it. Be sure to clean from your fingertips all the way up to your wrist and in between your fingers. Look at those fingernails are still dirty. Continue to clean to make sure you get those fingertips. Get your thumb. In between your pointer finger and thumb is also very important. And then all the way up to your wrist. There's still areas that are white on the gloves. That means he's not totally clean yet. Take the time to wash your hands. It is very important. This presentation explains how to stop the prevention of germs and how to wash your hands.